Welcome to the Doula Brand in a Box bundle. This bundle is designed to help you as a birthing professional get back to doing what you love the most, but also showing up online and showing up in your branding with a beautiful brand. Each one of these brand in a box bundles are specially crafted for the industry. So you'll see that this bundle has special things like a birth plan so you can brand it and give it to your clients, and contracts and forms, and a welcome packet. These things are essential to a doula. That's why I put it in this bundle. So I want to go through the entire doula bundle with you so that you can see exactly just how this can change your branding and your marketing. So inside of the doula bundle, the first thing that we're going to look at is the logo creation kit. You have your logo kit, and all of these logos are so beautiful. But what I love about these logo kits is you can literally take and mix and match and put different things together. It doesn't take long to come in here and put together your logo, and to also put together something unique without having to completely just dive into the trenches of building out a logo. So that is the logo kit. The next thing that we have is the website. The website is actually one of my favorite templates that we have at Digital Biz Shop. I don't know why. I just love the way it looks and all the elements, how they come together. We've kind of got some of the deliverables that you already get, so you can replace this with your branding, your design once you get it. We have some, and then the other thing about this template is there's real copy, real content in here. So you can literally keep the content how it is, or you can go through and tweak it to meet your brand values and all that good stuff. But all the content in this one is actual content. Just keep going. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful template that's simple to the point, and I think that it will serve your clients well when they are ready to book and learn more about you. And then we have this sort of flex section down here. If you don't have a blog, that's okay. You can change it to something else. It could be a checklist, to-do list, a link to your Pinterest page. So many things can go there. If you don't have a shop, same thing. You can put something else there. But this is the template. That's the template. Simple, to the point, and beautiful. The next thing that we have is the welcome packet. The welcome packet is essential to developing your client experience. When your clients come to you and they've been through the process, they had their connection call with you, now they're ready to book, they've booked, you want to send them a nice welcome packet just so that they can further be able to go back and look at all the information that you provide with them, so that they can have a great understanding of the process for working with you, how to contact you if they need to upgrade their service, what to expect. All of those good things are in this welcome packet. The next thing is the doula link in bio. So this is Canva's version, also our version, because this is our design of the links page. So you can literally extend your brand into your links page, have a super dope branded links page, and yes, you can put a link on it and all that good stuff. If you have a website, like your actual domain, you can make this yourdomain.com/links, and you'll be able to publish it and all that good stuff. The next thing we have are social media templates. There are 50 social media templates, so you never have to think about what to post on social, or you never have to dive in and dig through a bunch of templates anymore. This is your specialized template set. We've literally thought about it all when it comes to how you can market your business and how you can educate your clients and how you can show up as a doula. So all you need to do is come in here, add your colors, add your photos, and happy posting. The next thing is the contracts. So this just gives you some general, and I'll actually just scroll through it, but this gives you some general services agreements and compensation details, all that good stuff. follow-ups, all the stuff that people don't really think about, but this stuff is really the heart of your business. It's the lifeline of your business, because this is how you make sure that everyone's on the same page and nobody has any confusion. And then we also have the forms in this one as well. And this is really important because once you get a client in, you really want to get all the information that you can about them, so that during the process, you can literally just refer back to what they have already put down on paper. And for doulas, I imagine that this is digital, but I imagine for doulas, y'all doing something like this. Y'all see how Canva got print your design notebooks over here? Let me see. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Print designs in your notebooks. I envision y'all printing out these forms and these contracts and different things like that. Look, there's even a media release, which is very important for your social media content. You want to make sure your clients are comfortable, but I can see y'all printing these out, and actually on that visit, when you first go to the parent's house, or when you, after you have that connection call, going over and really providing that in-person experience and really going through these things with them on paper. Now, of course, there's ways for you to digitize this process. You can use any type of digital PDF filler or anything like that. But I think it would be a nice touch if you show up to their house with these forms and contracts printed out, as well as this beautiful pregnancy planner. This will kind of give them, and what you'll have to do when you get this pregnancy planner is go through and add more pages. And unless you just want to send them all the pages as individual documents so that they can print them and use them as much as they need. But if you want to put this in an actual planner or something like that, I would recommend duplicating some of these pages so that they're able to use it multiple times. Like this one, if you were to do like an actual pregnancy planner, duplicate this enough time so they can do this every week or most of the days during their pregnancy. We got medical appointments, medication. They can track if they took it or not. This is another page that probably should be duplicated. Baby names. I love this sheet because, y'all, when I had a baby, we couldn't figure out what to name the child. He didn't get his full name until we got to the hospital. And then hospital bag, all things that are very necessary for a pregnant mama. And then we also have a letter. And I recommend giving them a few of these sheets as well so that they can write to their sweet baby while they are pregnant. The next thing we have is the birth plan, which I did mention before, but this is what it looks like. And it's just a one-sheeter, but it would be a great way for you to go through the plan with your clients and say, okay, so, we need your full name, doctor's name, all that good stuff. And just so that you can help them to get their plan together, I would recommend putting your logo up here and then also bringing this over kind of like on paper. And it doesn't have to be on paper. I know we live in a digital world, but it's something about the doula service that's so personal and such a special connection. So the on paper, printing these out, I think will just take your client experience through the roof. The other thing that I thought was really fun to put in here is some baby milestone stickers. So they literally just go all the way to a year. And these are super cool. So you can also brand these. You can put your logo up here. And yeah, give this to all the moms after birth in a cute little gift basket. I'm not telling y'all how to run your business, but client experience is everything. And I was really thinking about that when developing this doula pack. So here is baby milestone stickers, and you can get them printed here with Canva. You can figure out what your printing source will be, but I think it will be really nice to get these printed out and to hand them out sort of as a gift to your mothers who have just given birth. And another thing we have is stationery. Stationery is always nice to have because there's plenty of things that we have to send our clients. And of course, we can send it on a regular document, but it's nice to send it on stationery. whether you're printing something or you just need to send a digital document, it's nice to throw it on one of these. So here is those. This one is a really good one to kind of like, if you want to get some stuff printed so you can take notes while you're at the homes, then you can use this blank one to, and they all can be blank. So you can like delete all this stuff out so you can print blank ones and all that good stuff. But this one, because it has like, that's everything in the Doula pack. I really tried to think about the entire process for you when it comes to building out the brand identity and then going to digital marketing and then also extending that branding to the client experience. Now, in every box, we have this Trello board. It's included in every box. And this Trello board is going to walk you through the entire process. So over here on the start here, we start with just teaching you how to use this Trello board so you're never lost throughout the process. And then we move into how to develop a brand plan using this bundle. I am all too familiar with buying templates or buying this supposed end all be all solution and then not doing anything with it because I really don't know what to do with it. Or it's so much, it all is great, but what do I do with it? I put this brand plan video and it says worksheet, but it's actually a workbook and it's actually going to take you through not only developing how to use this bundle for your business, but developing a strong business plan and strategy so that once you're done setting this stuff up, that you can run your business with success and confidence. So there we have that. You'll be able to download all your templates from here. We also go into defining your target market. Everyone, I don't care what industry, needs to define their target market. So this is going to take you into how to do just that for your business brand industry. And then we have fillable worksheets. Module 1 goes into the visual identity, choosing the proper colors for your brand, because sometimes our favorite color is not a great brand color to use. We then go through choosing your fonts. Fonts are fun to pick, and I go through some really important key details and key strategies to picking fonts that work and to picking fonts that attract who you're trying to attract. The next thing we do is there's a full in-depth video about creating your logo suite with the branding kit that I showed you. There's a full video about how to edit all of the brand collateral items that I showed you. And then we go into how to edit your website. Now, for right now, all the Brand in a Box bundles have Canva websites. And so it'll walk you through how to set everything up on Canva and then how to connect your domain to Canva so that it can be live and actually be like a real working website. The next phase is marketing. So I put this video in here about how to develop a you-based social media strategy. This is a social media strategy that's in alignment with how you want to show up, not in alignment with what the social media gurus are saying that the algorithm does, not in alignment with all of the things that you've learned about social media, but truly in alignment with what you want to do, with how you want to show up on social media. We also teach you how to create your own lead magnet. And this is lead magnet / digital product. I may actually just change it to digital product because we're going through those digital product kits and really showing you how to develop your own digital products, lead magnets, ebooks, workbooks, all that good stuff. And then finding your digital photo set. So if you are a person who needs stock photos, you don't have a whole lot of brand photos, even if you have brand photos, sometimes we still need stock photos to fill in the gaps. I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect set for you and kind of put it all in one place so you can use these same images throughout your brand and create brand recognition. And then we get into the client experience, and this is just going to teach you how to extend your branding through the client experience. And as you saw, there's a few things in this bundle that are really going to push the needle with extending your client experience. And then lastly, it's a bonus. It is how to create an exciting buzz around your launch. Even if you've already been launched for a while, now that you finished this bundle, it's time to relaunch and do it in a special way. So that is the Doula brand in a box bundle. It is now available on the site for you to purchase. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments below, and a member from my team or myself will get back to you and answer all your questions. And doulas, I want to see what you do with this bundle. I want to see your posts. I want to see your websites. I want to see the logos that you come up with, because I know this bundle was designed to help you show up in the best way possible. It's really designed to give you an entire brand development process